How to find your forgotten username in Twitter. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the Twitter app or the Twitter website on your browser, and this will work on both PC and mobile devices. Now you want to click on the sign in option, and in here you want to basically click on forgot password. Now you can type your email address or phone number if you remember them, and then press next. And this should give you the option to enter your password. And if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password here. And this should basically send you a request to your email address or phone number, or text code to your phone number. And if you already know the password, you can access your account and change your username if you want to. Otherwise, you can proceed to resetting your password. And once you confirm the code, you should be able to set a new password for your account. And then you can simply sign in using your phone number and password, or email and password. And once you are on your Twitter account, you want to click on the More button and then go to Settings. And from here, you can go to the Account Information. And this should require you to confirm your password again. And once you confirm your password, you can click on your username and change it from here. And once you pick a valid or available username, you can click on the Save button to change it. Also, there is another way to find your Twitter account username or X account username if you can't remember it. First, you want to open up your Google Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click on the three vertical dots here, go to Settings, and from the left side, you want to click on Autofill and Passwords, and then click on Google Password Manager. And then you want to search for Twitter or X, and then you want to click on Twitter or X, and in here you should find the usernames that you've used to sign in in Twitter or X previously. You might find the username you're looking for here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.